You guys, I'm here to put you on the best late night snack. Is this AMC Theaters extra buttered microwave popcorn? Oh my gosh, it is delicious. If you're a big movie theater popcorn girl like me, you definitely need to try this because it literally tastes like it's straight from the movie theater. I go through one of these boxes way faster than I care to admit, but it is so good. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. They come with these extra little butter packets to pour on top, and I think this is what sells it. It's so stinking good. It is by no means healthy at all, but truly, hands down, the best microwave popcorn you'll ever have in your life. AMC Theaters extra butter popcorn. And you gotta pair it with a little drinky drink, of course.